Good morning. We're in front of 53 Radburn in Farmingville. This is a house that was bought up more than 10 years ago. It was bank-owned, it's been abandoned, and it's in bad shape. We're here to tear this lot down so it can be redeveloped. This is a beautiful neighborhood. This type of house doesn't belong in this neighborhood. Joining me today is Councilman Kevin Laval. Kevin.
Thank you, Supervisor Romaine. You know, as the supervisor said, this house has been boarded up for about 10 years. We're now acting on it. This is a great neighborhood. Right across the street is a town park that we take great pride in. We take great care in taking care of our parks department. And, you know, this is really the last thing we want to do is rip down houses. We want to see these houses redeveloped. But at a certain point, enough is enough. And we're going to continue to do this in the town of Brookhaven to make sure quality of life in people's neighborhood is maintained and property values are still as high as possible.
And with that, Kevin and I are going to step aside and let the demo begin.